Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create map visuals in Power BI. So to create map visuals, we will go on the canvas of Power BI, activate the map visual settings. So click on File, Options and Settings, Options, click on the Security. Make sure that your tick on Use Map and Field Map Visuals is on. Click OK. Now click on the map, select the state in the location, select the cells in the bubble size. Activate the focus mode. So the size of the bubble represents the sum of the cells. More the bubble size, more the cells. Now pick up the category from here and drop it into the legend. So now we are having a pie chart on the field map visuals. Now you can hover your mouse on any pie and it will give you the information. So the state is California, category technology, and some of the sales. If you require more information on this pie chart, what you can do is just simply pick up the profit and drop it into the tooltips. And now when you hover a mouse on any pie, it will give the information of the profit also. Now we want to do the formatting of this visuals. So format your visual. Two settings we are having, visual and general. Activate the map settings. So from here, we can have an aerial view. We can have the dark view, the light view, or grayscale. Activate the controls. So if I on this, the zoom button will get activated. So plus or minus. Geocoding culture, depending upon your requirement, you can change the geocoding culture from here. Activate the legend. So at present, the legend are in top left position. You can change it. You can bring it in on top center. The title is written as category. It can be changed to category wise. Bubbles. The size of the bubble is auto. You can increase or decrease the size from here, depending upon your requirement. Moreover, range scaling can be done on the basis of magnitude, can be done on the basis of data range. You can select from here. Colors. So the colors of the bubbles can be changed from here. So let's pick up the another color. At any moment of time, if you want to reset the default settings, just press and it will be done. Reset to default. Do you want to include the category labels? Just on it, and the category labels are included. Now we will go for the general settings. Properties. Back to the report. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase. By increasing this number, the width of the chart will increase. Position. By increasing this number, the chart will shift towards the right hand side. This will shift towards the bottom. Now, by activating the padding and increasing this number, the white portion on left hand side will increase. By increasing this, the white portion on right hand side will increase. This will increase towards the bottom and this will increase towards the top. In advanced options, make sure that high density sample is on. Title, it is showing sum of sales and sum of profit. I don't want sum to be written, so I remove sum from here. And sales and profit by state and category. Let's change the text color, dark, background color, if require, horizontal adjustment center. If subtitle is necessary, on it, and you can enter the subtitle. Make sure you on it from here. We require divider, so on it, black color line will appear, which will divide the chart from the title. The width of the title, the width of this line can be increased. Spacing. By increasing this number, the white space between the title and the chart will increase. Effects, background. So we can select the light background here, and the transparency can be increased. Visual border. So by increasing this number, you can see this corners will become round, this corners. Shadow, activate the shadow on it. So the shadow will appear on outside on bottom right side. The positions can be changed. The offsetting can be changed. If you require inside, then the shadow will appear inside also. Header icons, it is related to this one. Filters on visual, focus mode, and more options. So if I want to change this color, I can do it. So background color, light blue, border, black color, icon color. So you see the changes which are happening. So in case of header icons, make sure that reset to default is much better. And in icons, everything should be on. In tooltips, this should also be on. Now you can again activate the focus mode. The data can be exported in CSV format. So as table, layout can be changed. This side, your maps will appear, and this is your chart. So this was all about map visuals in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.